TubeMagic is a new exclusive AI tool that's designed to make your channel's videos go viral with the help of AI.
Stop juggling 5 different tools for your YouTube channel. You've got one for ideas, another for keyword research, a separate document for scripts, a design tool for thumbnails, and you're still copying and pasting metadata from a spreadsheet. It's chaotic, it's slow, and it's holding back your channel's potential. What if you could streamline that entire process from a blank slate to a fully optimized video, all from a single dashboard? By the end of this, you'll know how to go from zero idea to upload ready using just TubeMagic. No juggling 5 different tools. We're going to build a complete repeatable system that saves you hours on every single video. So what exactly are we going to do today? We're building your entire YouTube workflow step by step inside one platform. First, we'll find winning video ideas that are perfectly aligned with your channel's niche. Then we'll research and validate those ideas to make sure they have real search potential. After that, we'll use AI to write a high retention script tailored for your audience. From there, we'll instantly generate a clickable thumbnail designed to grab attention. And finally, we'll optimize everything for upload, your title, description, and tags to give your video the best possible chance of ranking and getting discovered. Remember, we'll be using only the built-in TubeMagic tools to prove you can manage your entire content pipeline in one place. Your voiceover and video editing, of course, you'll handle externally, but the entire strategic lift happens right here. First things first, let's get you inside the platform. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just log in with your Google account and connect your YouTube channel. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Don't get overwhelmed, it's designed for a logical flow. Look at the sidebar on the left. This is your command center. Everything is organized into 3 core areas that mirror your content creation process. First, you have ideas, which is where all your research and brainstorming will happen. Next is content, where you'll create your scripts and thumbnails. Finally, there's upload and optimize, the section for preparing your video's metadata for maximum impact. You'll also notice a bonus tools section, but for today, we're focusing on the main workflow. A quick tip to remember, everything you need to go from concept to completion lives in these main sections. This structure is the key to an organized and efficient YouTube workflow. Now for step 1, finding topics that can actually win. This is the foundation of your entire strategy, and getting it right is crucial for YouTube growth. We'll start with the AI video idea generator. This tool is your secret weapon for beating creators' block. All you have to do is paste in your channel's URL or even a competitor's channel URL, and TubeMagic will analyze the content and generate an unlimited stream of video ideas that are directly relevant to that niche. As you see ideas you like, simply click to save them to your Ideas Manager pipeline. We'll save 2 or 3 promising ones right now to work with later. Once you have some ideas, you need to validate them. Let's head over to the keyword research tool. Here you'll enter a seed keyword related to one of your ideas. The tool will show you critical data, the monthly search volume, the competition level, and most importantly, the magic score. This score is a proprietary metric that weighs volume against competition to show you the topics with the highest potential for a channel like yours to rank for. You can sort by this score to instantly see the low-hanging fruit. Pick a few topics with a high magic score and save those keywords to your notes right inside TubeMagic. To take it a step further, we'll use the deep dive tools. Open the video research tool and plug in your chosen topic. It will show you the top performing videos currently on YouTube for that exact subject. Analyze their titles, thumbnails, and lengths. Look for a pattern, but more importantly, look for a gap. What aren't they covering that you can? For a broader view, you can use the Niche Explorer or Top Video Finder to see what's trending in high RPM niches, which can inspire new content pillars for your channel. Finally, all the ideas and keywords you've saved are neatly organized in the Ideas Manager. This is your content pipeline, where you can track ideas from the initial concept all the way to a finished video, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. With a validated idea in hand, we move to step 2, writing a high retention script. This is where you shape your content to keep viewers watching. TubeMagic offers a suite of script writing tools designed for different video formats. For a standard video, you'll use the general script writer. You just input your video title and a brief context about what you want to cover. Then you can select a target word count. This is a fantastic feature because it allows you to aim for a specific video runtime. For example, a 300-word script typically translates to about an 8 to 10 minute video, which is a sweet spot for watch time and ad revenue on YouTube. If you prefer to structure your thoughts first, you can start with the script outline generator. This tool will give you the main bullet point beats of your video, the hook, the main points, and the conclusion. Once you have that structure, you can take each bullet point and expand on it using a more specific tool like the how-to script writer if you're making a tutorial. This hybrid approach gives you both AI efficiency and creative control. And of course, if you're creating short-form content, there's a dedicated AI YouTube Shorts writer. This tool is specifically trained to create scripts that are under 60 seconds, fast-paced, and designed for the Shorts algorithm. Here are a couple of practical tips when using these tools. Don't be afraid to adjust the tone and pacing. If a section of the script doesn't sound like you, highlight it and ask the AI to regenerate just that part with a different style. You can ask for it to be more conversational, more professional, or funnier. This is much more efficient than regenerating the entire script from scratch. And a quick reminder, TubeMagic handles the entire scripting process, but you will need to export the final text to use with your preferred voiceover software or to record it yourself. Next up is step 3, creating a clickable thumbnail. Your thumbnail is your video's billboard. Your content doesn't matter if nobody clicks it. The AI thumbnail generator makes this simple. Input your video title or topic keywords, and the AI generates 3 to 5 different thumbnail options, complete with relevant imagery, text layouts, and color psychology. You can make quick edits right in the app, change text, adjust colors, or move elements. No design skills are needed. The key is clarity and intrigue, bold, readable text, and a clean visual that communicates your video's promise instantly. Once finalized, download the high-resolution file and it's ready for upload. Step 4, optimizing everything for upload. This ensures YouTube knows what your video is about and who to show it to. A make or break step for discoverability. Start with the title generator. Input your topic and it creates 3 punchy, viral style variants with SEO, clickbait, or hybrid focus. Pick the strongest. Next, the description generator auto-writes a full SEO-friendly description with a summary, keywords, and placeholder timestamps. Then the tag generator and organizer produces relevant tags, removes duplicates, and prioritizes the most important ones. The Warp Upload Optimizer is the most powerful tool here. Paste your unlisted video link, and it analyzes content and transcript to generate a perfectly optimized title, description, and tags. Copy and paste directly into YouTube or use the Chrome extension to work inside YouTube Studio for a seamless workflow. Here's a quick recap of your one-tab workflow. Start in the Ideas section to find and validate a topic. Move it to Content to generate a high-retention script and clickable thumbnail. Finally, jump to Upload and optimize using the generators or Warp Optimizer for metadata. This loop, from idea to keyword validation to script, thumbnail, and upload optimization, all happens in TubeMagic. Save a simple checklist to ensure no step is missed. That's how you build a full YouTube content engine in one platform. If you want me to demo this workflow for a specific niche, maybe your own, drop it in the comments and I'll run it through TubeMagic step by step. The main takeaway, you now have a system to manage your YouTube workflow in one tab. No juggling apps, no wasted time, just a clear path to faster, consistent growth. In the next video, I'll show how to scale this workflow for multiple videos per week without burnout.